Hello, everyone. I've learned a trade that most people have never heard of, and it changed my life. I'm Kevin, a service and inventory manager for Donastar Enterprises here in the Northeast. When an ice machine dies at a restaurant or a fountain soda machine goes flat at a stadium, I'm the one who shows up and makes it right. Techs like me are needed in all 50 states, and there aren't enough of us out there. Here's what they don't tell you. It's hands-on, it pays, and you're home most nights. Most jobs are within a few hours of your house. Sure, there's some computer work, but the job is primarily on-site service calls. No cubicle. No degree required. Donastar is hiring these techs across the country right now. And the good ones move up to run their own region, like I did. If you rather work with your hands than sit at a desk, watch our team video and throw your name in. The link is below. Learn a trade and get paid.